I'm super excited. It's another super delicious, quick and colorful recipe, Chinese fried rice. Let me show you a very simple, easy way to cook this recipe. Get your basmati rice, that's what I'm using. Other type of rice can also be used. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow pepper, carrot, spring onion, prawns, sausages, egg, garlic, crushed pepper, vegetable oil, butter, salt, bouillon cubes, mixed spices, and dark soy sauce. It's time to cook. Let me tell you, this recipe is so easy when you get all your ingredients ready. Once you start cooking, you have a smooth flow of adding and stir frying your ingredients. Boil your basmati rice, place it in a plate to totally cool before you start prepping all other ingredients. You can also cook your rice and keep it in the fridge overnight and use it for this recipe. And now all the veggies are chopped into tiny cubes. Set aside. Slice the sausages. Also chop your spring onions and garlic. You can add ginger to this recipe if you want. It's time to put all the deliciousness together. You need a wide pan like this or a wok so that you can have enough space to mix all your ingredients together when you stir fry. Heat up your pan, drizzle a bit of vegetable oil, add a spoon of butter, crack and whisk your eggs. Sprinkle a bit of salt and fry your eggs. Frying the eggs with a bit of butter gives it the silky and luscious look. It's done. Remove the egg from the pan and set it aside. Next, fry your sausages. Don't over fry. Keep it juicy. Also remove and set aside. Now fry the prawns in the same pan and oil. You are basically building in flavors. Once the prawns are slightly pink, do not overcook. Pour all the oil and the prawns into a bowl. It's veggie time. Add more vegetable oil into the pan. In goes your garlic, then your spices. First veggies in the pan is the carrot. Next, add all the veggies, stir together and add your spring onions. Sprinkle some crushed pepper. Keep stirring. Add your sausages, prawn. Add your fried eggs. I can tell you the colors, the flavor, the aromas here is legit. And finally, time to introduce the basmati rice. Ready to join all the goodness in the pan. Pour the rice and make a little space and add the soy sauce. Stir together and add more spring onions to freshen up the veggies and rice. And gladly, the cooking time is over and joyful and tasteful time is here. Come closer. Tell me, what do you see? Easy, mouth-watering, delicious bowl of goodness. Do recreate this recipe, please. Don't stop watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.